actually kind of part of me to have a bit more of an eclectic home full of curated special features and items that mean something to me. So I wanted to give that feeling to the space. Hi, I'm Jennifer. I'm an interior designer at Showhome, and we're here in beautiful Esker Park, where we are at the Cascade Showhome at 212 Drystone Walk. This is one of our paired homes with beautiful 9-foot ceilings on the main floor and an amazing living space. And I'm here to show you around and talk to you about some of my design inspiration and some of the things that you can do with a home like this that makes it feel really, really special. The actual design of the interiors is inspired by a global modern aesthetic. So it's a modern look to the home, but I wanted to sort of reflect the diverse cultures that many people live in or grow up in. One of the things you'll notice when you come in this home is that although it is considered a smaller home as a paired home, it's actually quite spacious. It feels really, really open. So there's lots of room here to do all kinds of things like entertain, be with your family, have people visit. It's a great home for all types of families and all types of living. One of the things I did, which I think really helps with that, is I upgraded the trim in the home to match the walls so that there isn't a division between the trim and the walls, and so everything really feels lifted and lighter. It's really lovely that way. So I was really inspired by doing a mosaic floor in the half bath, and I took the color scheme from that floor and kind of ran it through the whole house to curate those colors, but in a soft palette that gave each space a unique feel, but also gave it color and vibrancy and interest. One of my favorite rooms is the yellow room. I did a ceiling mounted sheer feature around the bed that can enclose the bed that sort of feels like an escape. I thought that was a really cute thing to do and not very expensive. I really wanted to show in this community that our diverse cultures and peoples that come together can be reflected in the style of their home. That your home doesn't have to be perfectly designed, that you can take your own background, your own experiences, your own things that you like, the things that bring you joy, and you can put them in your home in little spots all over, and then just use pattern, color, texture, and other simple design techniques to make the whole house feel like it comes together. So in this home, I actually sourced a lot of the styling elements from secondhand shops because I wanted it to feel a little bit like somebody had collected something. That was really important to me, that we are allowed to have things that mean something to us, even if they don't fit perfectly into a design look. It's really up to you. You can make your house as personal as you want, and it can all come together. And at Showhome, we have a great team of people that can help you do that.